Okay, for your project today, you need the following materials. You need a large piece of paper. If you don't have a big piece of paper, you can take 2 regular sized pieces and just tape them together to create a big piece of paper. You need a pencil with an eraser, a Sharpie or a black marker or black crayon, a set of crayons, or you can use colored pencils or markers if you prefer. And that's all. You also need, this is kind of weird, but you need a pair of your own shoes. So I have my shoes ready to go. And they have to be the same shoes. So you can't have like one Converse and one high heel. You just want a pair of shoes. We are going to learn how to draw a picture that's going to work on lines and stretching things out and perspective. So we're gonna draw ourselves, but a cartoon version of ourselves, and it's gonna look like we're falling and landing on the paper. So even though we're drawing from this way, it looks like we fell down, and that's our artwork. So you wanna start with your shoes, pick one, either one, and you're gonna place it all the way at the bottom of your paper. Your paper is going vertically away from you. You're gonna place it at the bottom, sort of if it's the left shoe on the left side, the right shoe on the right side, you place it on the bottom at an angle. So it's not gonna be going straight up and down, a little bit angled out. And keep in mind, my shoes are bigger than your shoes, so yours aren't gonna take up as much space on the paper. And you're gonna just trace your shoe. I'm gonna go over it in black Sharpie so that you can see it, but you are just going to do this in pencil and then outline it later. So here's my shoe. Now, I made it so it didn't even connect at the bottom. It's going off the page, but that's okay. It's only because I don't have that much space on this paper and my shoes were kind of big. So then that's your left shoe. Then you're gonna do the same thing with your right shoe. You're gonna angle it towards the right side of the paper, and you're gonna trace it with your pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and do that in Sharpie so you can see it. Okay, so you have your 2 shoes. Now, you're going to trace your hands. And your hands are going to go right on top of where your shoes are. So you want to do this with a pencil, but remember, I'm going to do it with a Sharpie, but you're just going to do it with a pencil.